Hey YouTube, so it's been about, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks since I've uploaded something. It's very hard to create decent content and edit it week after week and try and keep up with not only fatherhood but my regular job and a few other aspects of life. So kudos to those of you that have been doing it and killing it, because it's a lot harder than I gave it credit for. But I got a 2008 Toyota Camry. It's my daily. It needs an oil change, so we're going to jump into that and get it going. Step 1. Locate your oil cap. Unscrew the cap and set it aside. Next, we're going to rack the vehicle. Locate your oil drain plug. Using a 14mm socket, break the oil pan bolt loose. Unscrew the drain plug and drain the old oil. Always tighten drain plugs by hand. They do not need much torque. Clean the excess oil away and then locate your oil filter. Intrusive thoughts. Seems to be working. Oh God. Definitely not doing that again. Time for the new oil filter and your oil. To reinstall the oil filter, grab a 1/2-inch wrench. And bigger. And bigger. Yeah, that'll do. Lubricate the O-ring with some old oil from the oil filter. I am reinstalling the oil filter with just my left hand. Snug it up. No tools are necessary. Time to clean up the mess I made. Alright, let's lower the car and get it on the ground, and then we'll add the oil. Grab your trusty funnel and put it into the engine bay. Glug, glug, glug. I need to add about 4.5 quarts. And yeet. To reset the maintenance light, put the key into the on position and set the odometer to trip A. Cycle the key off and then back on while holding the odometer button. The 5 lights should blink. After they clear, the maintenance light has been reset. With the engine running, take a look underneath the engine bay and inspect your work for any leaks. So, I understand that video is a little mundane, but my 15 subscribers needed to see me make a comeback, so it is what it is. I just needed to get something on the board. We'll catch you in the next video. Most of the video was shot using a 3D printed camera stand my buddy Kyle made for me. Appreciate it, Kyle.